Hello everyone and welcome you all to the lesson of t-shirt design in Illustrator tutorial. So firstly, we'll start why you should use Adobe Illustrator to design your t-shirt. So here I'll be showing you guys what are the tools which we'll be using and how it is quite helpful in Illustrator to create some stunning designs. Okay, so we'll be learning about all of that here in this particular class. So let's start. So here, as you guys can see, I am here in the workspace of the Adobe Illustrator. So now I'll be showing you guys why it is quite helpful. Okay. So first thing we need to understand that t-shirt designing can be quite trickier sometimes. Okay. So why we should use Illustrator? Because it provides us with some stunning and so many of tools, okay, which you can use. I'll be showing you guys throughout the project, but here I just want to give you guys a brief. Okay, so first let's start with this pen tool. Okay, so pen tool, if you know how to use this one, okay, it is quite amazing. So here, as you guys can see, using the pen tool, you guys can basically create a lot of shapes around. Okay, so here, as you guys can see, I can just create a lot of shapes over here. Okay, so here if I want to make any kind of shapes, okay, I can just make a lot of shapes over here, as you can see. Okay, so I have made this one, and what I can do is I can again come up here again, and what I can do is I'll select this one, and now I will just create a line quite like this. Or if I just want to go back, I can just go back from here as well. So here I just created a leaf. So here you guys can basically see the precision of how this total thing actually works. And if I just want to duplicate this layer, I can just duplicate this layer here as well. So I'll just group this thing up and click on Alt, and I have created another shape of this one. So here we guys can actually align this one as well. Okay, we can just shape this thing around. Okay, so these are few of the things. Okay, and now let's also learn about the shape tool. Okay, so here you guys can see I do have different shapes, okay, which I can use to create some stunning designs. Okay, I have showed you guys in the class, and here this is the direct selection tool. Okay, so direct selection tool is basically we need to select a part over here, and now if I want to stretch anything up, okay, so now I just can stretch this thing up. So these are few of the advanced features. And using this one, if you wanna give this thing rotation, so here you can just select this handle and you can just take these things down right from here. Okay, so here you guys can see you guys will be able to make some designs. Okay, so now let's come to coloring. Okay, so it will also give you some nice coloring options. Okay, so first thing first, you guys need to come here in the libraries, and in the libraries I do have added this color palettes which I can use. And to just add any color, you guys don't need to do a lot of thing. What you just need to do is select that one and just select this color. Okay, so now here if I wanna give this thing any color, I can just give this thing a color over here. So this is one way of how you can just put some colors around and work with that. And here I was talking about the shape tool. Here you guys can see I can create a lot of shapes over here. Okay, so I will just create some shape just to show you guys. Okay, and again I will come here. Okay, so I do have my polygon box, so I'll just take my polygon somewhere around here and select this selection tool. And what I can do is I can just keep this thing somewhere around here and this one over here. So now if I want to take this thing back, okay, so I can just come here, go to arrange, and I can send this thing to back. And the same way what I can do is I can come here and I can go to arrange and I can just send this thing to back. So these are few of the ways of how you can actually work out. Okay, And now let's see another option, which is this shape builder tool. Okay, so here you guys can see I do have the shape builder tool. And first I will select all of this using the selection tool. Okay, so now I will select all these layers. And what I'm going to do is I will select my shape builder tool. And here you guys can see I can just join these shapes around. Okay, so here I can join this thing around. Okay, so I will just join this one with this thing. And now if I want to create some other shapes out of this is how you guys will be able to make some shapes. Okay, I can just make this thing one shape altogether. So here you guys can see I have created one shape at once. And now what I can do is using the eyedropper tool, I can just select any color, and here you guys can see I have selected this color, and now it have been changed. And here also I do have some other tool, which is the shaper tool. Okay, so if I want to shape things out, I can just shape things out from here. Okay, so I can just shape this thing here, as you guys can see. Okay, so here, this is how you guys can actually put some straight lines. Okay. So this also uses, or this also helps. Okay. So this is one shaper. And under that, I do have my pencil tool. If I want to smooth anything down, I can just smooth this thing down. Okay. So if I do have any rough end, suppose I do have my pencil tool, and with my pencil tool, I want to create some lines over here. And what I can do is I can just come here, and with my smooth tool, what I can do is I can just smooth down those parts. Okay, so it will just smooth it down a little bit. Okay, once you're working, you guys will be able to understand the use of this smooth tool. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys have understood, and now you guys can understand why you should use Illustrator while doing a t-shirt design, as it's about designing and more visualization and more accuracy. So in that case, Illustrator is one of the best apps to use around for your t-shirt design. So we'll start with our t-shirt designing one by one. So hope to see you all in the chapter.